Release the Kraken!
Welcome back, fellow game designers. In our last video, we went ahead and attached Link's head. Hooray. In this one, we are going to build the mouth box. So let's go ahead and save it and get started. So if you haven't saved it yet, make sure you do. So save, and then File, go to Save Scene As to make the next iteration. We were on 13, we're going to be now on 14, or whichever number is making sense for you. Just make sure we have a copy so that if we break it, we can always go back and fix it. Alright, now if you hear the dinging out back, my wife is playing disc golf and she's hitting the basket pretty well. So just bear that in mind. Not the best insulation in the house. Alright, so we're going to go up to the mouth here. And you can make the mouth box at any point in your creation cycle. But since we're going to start working on building teeth and stuff, we need a place to put them. And we'd want it so that when we have a shot toward the character's mouth, we don't see a gaping dark void. We want to be able to paint, mouth color in there, have like the little the little thing in the back of your throat, hanging down. So all that stuff kind of goes into the mouth box. To do that, I'm going to make sure I have symmetry on, and then I'm going to go into edge selection, so F10, and I'm going to find the innermost edge. And it's kind of hard to see if you're not quite inside the mouth here, but I want to get this innermost edge right about here on the lip. So I'm going to double click that. That'll give me this selection right there. Hooray! And then I'm just going to extrude this back. You don't have to be super pretty with this, it just needs to be there. So I'm going to hit extrude, and before I go too far with it, I'm going to start building the back of the lip here. So I'll go ahead and pull the down arrow. I'll go back a little bit like that. What do we got? We've got 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 rings or so for the back of the lip. So I'm going to go 1, hit extrude again, and then I'm going to hit turn symmetry off so I get the down arrow. There we go. And I'll pull that green arrow down for my next ring. And I'll hit one more and then get this one. Just to have the inside of the lip there. I think that's probably good, actually. We don't have to have too much detail here. It just needs to exist. And then we're going to pull this back. So we'll hit extrude one more time. And this time I want to get my move tool. So hit W for a straight arrow, and I'll pull straight back. And I'll get one loop here. I'll hit R for scaling, and we're going to scale this so this part is flat. So I'm going to scale from Z. I'm going to pull straight back. There we go. That'll give me this loop here. And then I'll hit again, we'll extrude, W, pull back again. I'll come back about to here. Again, it doesn't really matter how far back you go. We just need to have some pocket for the mouth to, like the teeth and the tongue to sit in, so you don't see like an empty hole. So back here's probably good, and then we're going to close this up. So I'm going to go ahead and click out. We'll get, let's see, we've got more cuts up top than we have down bottom, but that's not going to be a big deal. We can just close this off and nobody's going to see it. Let's just find a good spot to start bridging. Let's start back here on this corner. Let me get symmetry on. So these 2 points, hold shift and right click, we'll bridge those. This to here, we'll bridge that. Again, you can hit the G key to repeat your last operation. So I'll just grab 2 points and then bridge it. Grab 2 points and then bridge. And you can see I have so much extra geometry here, so I'm going to fill hole and just kind of work with it. So I'll grab this point, shift right click, and then fill hole. So that'll fill this in. but I need to solve these points here. Even though we won't see this, it's good to have it so that it is not an n-gon. So I get my multi-cut, and I'll just do some cuts from here to down here. And I'll get that last one. So those all go to that bottom. Good enough. We don't need too much more happening in there. So yeah, so good enough. The only thing we really want to do would be to add in maybe an edge loop here and there. So I'll throw one in about there, and then maybe one here. That'll give the mouth box a little bit of flexibility if we have to animate the mouth as it opens and closes. So that will do it for this video. We'll go back to object mode here. In the next one, we will start building Link's teeth and tongue. So save your work, stay tuned, and I shall see you next time. Hey guys, thank you for checking out the channel. If you liked that video you just watched, consider hitting that like button and hit or subscribe. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, check out the Wielders of Ether. It's my upcoming comic book. The Kickstarter will be dropping pretty soon. You can see that is getting ready here. The newsletter for that, if you go to brucebooks.com, you can sign up for the newsletter, and you will be notified when the Kickstarter drops. We're pretty excited, and we hope to see you on launch day.